Hi everyone, I'm excited to announce a project that I've been working on for the last few months. I'll be launching my first Canadian course, Canadian Finance Pro. As the name states, it's all about Canadian finance. My goal is to take students from zero financial knowledge to an expert level, from financially illiterate to financially literate. I've had this course in my mind for a few years, but it seemed extremely overwhelming and I couldn't find the time just with all the side jobs I've been doing lately, but I'm finally able to say it's coming together nicely and should be ready for release. My target date is May 1st, 2022. The content will be continually updated every few months to expand on the topics based on your feedback. It'll also be updated every year to account for the new tax numbers or companies or global events. I'll leave a link where you can opt in to get in on the mailing list and to receive updates. Everyone who gets on the mailing list will get a free ebook and will get a 50% discount on the course when it launches. The course will cover, but not only, budgeting, credit, debt, personal finance, different types of investing, stocks, stock market, how to read financial statements, how to create your own portfolio, in-depth breakdown of Canadian taxes, cryptocurrency, and in the future, real estate. These modules at the course launch date will be about 80% complete. I don't think I can ever call it 100% complete as it'll be constantly updated and I'll be adding new information and new data as they arise. Signing up for this course, not only will the course offer a lifetime membership and access to the new content, but you'll get lifetime access to the Canadian Finance Pro Discord server, and I'll be hosting monthly 1-hour Q&A sessions where every member can join to ask questions or just to have a chat. This doesn't interfere with my YouTube channel. I'll still be pumping out videos as I have been at least once a week. The course will cover a wider variety of topics that I haven't had a chance to cover, examples being budgeting, credit, and reading financial statements. One issue is I currently have 200 YouTube videos and most of them are time sensitive. They're only relevant for a few weeks or months. Then they need to be updated with new info and I have to remake the same video every few months, maybe annoy my subscribers. If I'm reviewing a TD Bank stock in March 2022, that's only relevant for 3 months until the new financial statements or the new earnings come out. Then it's outdated and the market has changed and I'll need to remake another video on the stock, breaking down the new financials or the new global events affecting that stock. Half my videos are options trading related, so they're pretty much only relevant for a week or two max before the market has changed, but those option videos are for a different type of viewer. I've also noticed I'm still getting the same questions over and over again. I've been told my videos are too complicated and I'm not breaking it down to the absolute basics and for complete beginners. That's where my course comes in. I'm going back to the basics, slowing it down. I'm doing more hand-holding and more explanations for beginners. As my channel grows, I'm unable to answer every question. I'm currently 230 notifications behind, so my apologies. It's also hard answering the same questions every other day, so hopefully for beginners or for someone with a basic level of knowledge looking to get to that next step, please consider signing up for the course Canadian Finance Pro. Right now, just sign up using your email, you'll get a free ebook, and I'll be in touch when the course is closer to launch. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.